Welcome back to my channel Tech Gitter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to use split screen in Windows 10. So let's start. We have 3 different methods, so we will begin with the first one. Firstly, open the window that you want to use in split screen. Then click on Minimize, so the window is not in full screen mode. After that, hold the window from the top bar and drag it toward the right side of the screen. When you see a blackish shadow, release the window. Now the window will snap to the right side automatically. On the left side, you will see multiple window options. Click on any one according to your choice to fill the left half of the screen. Now let's move to the second method. In this method, you can also use 4-way split screen. Firstly, open the window and minimize it. Hold the top bar again, and this time drag the window toward the upper right corner. When you see a blackish rectangle in that corner, release the window. It will cover 1/4 of the screen. You can repeat the same step in the remaining corners to create a 4-way split and add more windows easily. Now let's move to the third method, which is the shortcut method. Firstly, open the window and minimize it. Click on the top bar of the window to select it. Then press Windows plus right arrow. Your window will automatically set on the right half of the screen. You can now choose another window for the left side and continue working smoothly. That's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Gitter Official.